My name is David Mintz. I'm now a full-time speaker, facilitator, and your MC.
Here's what's happening this weekend. Thursday, it's all about networking and pitching. We'll hear about 100 45-second pitches, vote on the best ideas, and form teams.
Nathan brings his energy, definitely. He's such a positive guy. He makes us feel so hyped up. He lets us be able to get even more excited. We put up the same energy because of what he reflects back to us.
Throughout the day on Friday, here's what you'll focus on. First, have you talked to your customers and do you understand their problems? Are you solving their problems? Number 2, do you have an MVP or prototype? And the big overarching question. Number 3, how will your startup make money and become a long-standing, successful business?
Nathan is hilarious. He's funny, he's charismatic, he's charming. I love his taste in music. Every time I see him, it's always fun. I love hearing stories from around the world. He has that energy with improv. No matter what happens, no matter what quick changes happen, he's always quick on his feet, and I really appreciate that.
3, 2, 1.
And now it's Saturday. It's the semi-final pitches, where every team will get a chance to present their startup in front of the judges. The winners of our semifinals will go on to our final pitch night, where we will announce winners in front of about 300 people.
We have Safe Box.